It's time for circle time. Look at this. We are almost through our whole month of May. Look at this. Oh my goodness, we're in our last week of May. Today is Tuesday, May 25th, 2021. What day of the week did I say it was? Tuesday. Good listening ears. It is Tuesday, May 25th. Let's find out. Let's sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good job. All right, let's work on our pattern. So we're going to come all the way back here. That's one. And we're going to go kite, kite, kite. Sun, sun, sun. Kite, kite, kite. Sun. Nice job. We have no school tomorrow. So what do you think tomorrow is going to be?
Saturday.
Tomorrow's not Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Good. So we have sun, 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 kite, 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 sun. Tomorrow is going to be a sun. Good job. All right. We said yesterday that it was going to be partly sunny with some rain.
No.
And I don't see any rain out there. So that's not right. But
Sunny.
I don't know. Look out there. Do you see sun? It is. There's no sun outside today. It is very cloudy. So we're going to go ahead and put cloudy up there. We're going to put cloudy in here for today. Let's make a prediction what we're going to have for tomorrow's weather. And we'll put it down here in our prediction box.
Sunny.
Oh, sunny? Sunny for tomorrow?
Yeah.
We're going to go with sunny for tomorrow. All right, let's go ahead and say our ABCs. Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. A, B, C, D. I can't hear you. F, G, H, I, J, K, Good job. All right, counting all the way to 15. Who's ready?
Me.
Yeah, clap your hands 3 times. Good job. All right, here we go. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Can't hear you.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Nice job. All right, we're counting back to blast off. Remember, we have to count all the way from 8 to 0 and then blast off. So go ahead and put your hands together. Ready? We're going to blast off. So we're going to count backwards. We're going to go up until we get to 0. Then we blast off. Ready? Here we go. 8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
job. All right. So let's do some colors all together. What color is my goldfish?
Orange.
Orange. Thank you for being awake. What color is disgust?
Green.
Good. What color is the school bus?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is anger?
Red.
Red. Moving on to our shapes. What color is the heart?
Heart.
Oh, I was supposed to say, what shape is the pink one? What shape is that pink one?
Heart.
A heart. Mrs. Hill said, what color is the heart? Silly. What shape is the green one?
Oval.
Nice job. What shape is the brown one?
Octagon.
Oh, let's try again.
Rhombus.
Rhombus
Or
or a diamond. All right, our nursery rhyme is rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. All right, we are learning the letter Q. And Q says like queen and quiet. And this is a quarter. So here is my letter Q. Q is the letter O with a little slide. Let's go ahead and sing our...
That feels better.
That feels better? Where do you start your letters at the top? That's one. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. All right, here we go. Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom, all the way down. No, it's the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. Top. Yes, it's the top. Reach down. Way down. Bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Getting up and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top. Bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Alright. So here is our letter Q. And our letter Q is made with the magic C, a big curve. And then we take another magic C, and we turn it backwards, and we make what letter? We make an O. What letter did we make? O. But is that the letter we're working on? No. So then I'm going to take this little line, and I need to do what to it?
And then around.
I need to do what to it? What do I need to do to that little line?
Nothing.
Yep. Oh, I don't do anything, so I put it like this?
No.
Oh, no, that's not right. What do I need to do with that little line? I need to turn it into a slide. Thank you. And I make that little slide and I put it right here and I made the letter Q. So the Q, listening ears, your hands are in your lap, your voices are off, but your listening ears are on. My turn. Big curve, keep going round. Please don't stop till you get to the top. Little slide. One more time, my turn. Big curve, keep going round. Please don't stop till you get to the top. Little slide. I made the letter Q. Can you put your fingers up and make the letter Q with me?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I want to hear you saying it too. You ready? Big curve, keep going round. Please don't till you get to the top. Little slide. What letter did you make?
Q.
A Q. You made the letter Q. And what does Q say? Quack, quack, quack. Good job. All right, that is all for today. Remember, we are off tomorrow, and we will see you on Thursday. Have a great day.